Today I'm going to be reviewing this fabric material. As you can see, it's pretty large. It does have the holes here if in case you want to hang it, but I'm going to show you how we use this. This is 90% coverage. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out.
So here I'm actually extending it. This was actually for my grandmother. She was needing it in her front porch so it could block the sunlight, and not only that, but also block away any dust or debris entering her porch. And as you could see, it is such a long material. We extended it here and it was so long. And like I mentioned, it does have the little holes. So if you want to go ahead and clip it to maybe a pergola, or you want to clip it to a porch, but it is so long, and it's actually, the quality is very nice material, so nothing is going to be coming through as far as dirt or dust. And this is 90% sun coverage. So since this pergola cover was actually quite large, we went ahead and cut it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the area that we covered. As you could see, we fully extended it, and it is blocking any sunlight, dust, or debris. I want to give you a closer look at how the material looks. There is not many large gaps. As you can see, they are tiny little gaps, so not a lot is going through them. So this really helps block the sun out or any dust or debris. My grandma was actually having a lot of cat problems, like little cats were jumping in through the fence, so it's actually going to help and block the sides from having any pets or pests coming in through the sides. Kind of want to step back and give you a look at what that looks like, but it is so nice. It looks really flushed, and as you can see, this is the other side. Just want to give you a closer look on how much it covers. And the great thing was that we were able to cut this and it's not running. The material is actually really good. This is the other side, and as you could see, it was very good. It held up well, and honestly, my grandma absolutely loves it. So if you've been looking for a cover, or maybe you just want something to block out the sun, block out any dust, debris, any critters, then definitely check this one out. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.